So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change country on eBay. So first of all, go to ebay.com, log into your account. From there you'll see some account settings. So if you go to here that says hi and then your first name, you can see account settings, sign out. You can see the ship to, sell, watch list, my eBay notifications as well as cart. So if you click on ship to, you can see set your shipping location, choose your country/region, and we'll show you items that will ship to you. So that's how you can change your country. So if you click on ship to and then a different country, you can see there's a lot of countries on this list, including Vatican City States. So they really try to be as detailed as they can. And you can see there are many options that you can choose. It's all in alphabetical order. So that's how you can change your country. And if you choose something else, your offers will change as well. So if you choose a different country, it's going to pop up different offers, maybe more, maybe less, that are going to be shipped to your country. And if you wish to choose a different site, so your search will improve, you can go all the way down to choose different versions of the site. So if you are closer to maybe the UK, you can use the UK version. If you're closer to France, Germany, or Chile, for example, you can use those versions of the site as well. So eBay has a better understanding of where to ship and which items to show you so you can get better offers that are closer to you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.